In a shocking incident that surfaced from Churachandpur, unknown armed miscreants robbed around 20 lakh rupees from State Bank of India branch Churachandpur. The incident happened around 2 in the afternoon at SBI branch located at K. Salbung in Churachandpur district today. According to report received by SKTV News, the armed miscreants barged into the SBI branch and intimidated the staff. On receiving the information, Churachandpur District Police rushed to the spot and initiated the probe into the matter. With this incident, 4 banks have been looted till date since the violence started in Manipur. It may be recalled that on September 4, 2020, 1 crore 15 lakh rupees were looted in the afternoon from SBI branch Churachandpur. 1 crore rupees along with huge golds were looted from Axis Bank in the district on July 10, 2023. Another incident was on November 30, 2023, where over 18 lakh rupees were looted from Punjab National Bank, located at View Lane Bazaar in Ukhrul district headquarters.